Oh, my nose is running. Why is my nose running? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing another gel polish set using, of course, Madam Glam, because I love Madam Glam. I love so many different gel polish brands. I can't tell you. Anyway, I love gel polish. I'm a little bit of a gel polish obsessive. Right, anyway, we've got Madam Glam today. I'm using Matty and Jenna. They're both coming with me. Come on, guys. And I've got limoncello. I don't know how you say that. Limoncello. Limoncello. It's not cello. You don't say it like that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Right, so we're using these three colours. I've got a fourth colour, which I will show you as the video progresses. It's a lovely colour too. Oh, yawn, yawn, yawn. Oh, dear. I'm so tired at the moment. Right, anyway. What's this one? Right, so let's have a look what we're doing, Nat. Sort yourself out. Tell everyone what you're doing. We're doing an ombre, but we're doing a double ombre. Or is it a triple ombre? Because there's two ombres, but there's three colours. So I guess it's a double ombre, isn't it? Yeah, I suppose it is. The blue's going at the top, then the green, and then the yellow. And then we're going to use an ombre brush. I like to use an ombre brush. I've kind of decided I don't like using a sponge, but that's just me. Now, Madam Glam do an ombre brush, but I've used this. This is my little Born Pretty ombre brush, and I've used this sort of since day dot, and it's kind of what I'm used to. So I'm using this one to create my ombre. Now, when I do this, I'm kind of just gently flicking the end of the bristles through the gel polish, not the whole. Don't push down really hard, if that makes sense. And then you can just kind of move the brush backwards and forwards, up and down a little bit, so that the colours, can blend together. And then once you're kind of happy with that the first blend, remember this is the first coat, so it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. Just then wipe the brush off between a lint-free wipe and then start on the bottom. Now we are going to be doing two of these nails, but I'll explain about the second one in a second. I'll just get this one done first. Now, I wasn't feeling 100% when I done this set of nails, so this ombre is a little bit half-arsed, excuse my language. It could have been better, but do you know what? I was just at the point where I was just like, just get video done. Otherwise you're not going to have anything for next week. So that's gone in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds, and then we're going to work on our second coat. Now this is the coat that you need to make sure you get as spot on as you can. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, that came out of nowhere. Oh, I am a bit tired at the moment. Do you know what? The kids have got they've got 3 more days at school, so they've got today, Wednesday and Thursday, and then they break up. Oh, I tell you what, I cannot bloody wait. That alarm is being switched off for 6 weeks, baby. Oh, so excited. I hate getting up in the mornings. It's ridiculous. Anyway, we're going in with our second blend now. So the bottom, it's got a T in it, Nats. The bottom blend wasn't the greatest, to be honest, but in fact, this probably wasn't my best ombre in the whole wide world. But it is what it is. You get the point, you get the gist. I could have blended it a bit more, but never mind. Right, that's going to go in the lamp and cure for 30 seconds. And then we're going to do the same thing on another tip, but we're only going to do one coat. Okay, so this is me beginning my one coat. Okay, that's my one coat. It doesn't have to be perfect, because this one we're going to sugar. And when I sugar glitter onto nails, I like to do it into a non-white top coat, and I'm using Appletini from Nail Sugar, and I have got Tweety Pie. This one is currently out of production at the minute, so Karen it's out of stock. So yeah, I'm not sure how long it's going to take for Karen to get that back in, but I've got Blue Lagoon as well. You can get 10% off any Nail Sugar glitters as well using my code NatMug10. All the links and discount codes and everything will be in the description box below. So that one layer of that marble that we did, not marble, I keep wanting to call it a marble, ombre we've done, we're going to go over with some non-wipe top coat, and we're not going to cure it. We are going to sprinkle the glitter into this. Now, you can do this on, you can do this on any colour. You could do it on a plain white nail. I did ombre actually the glitters onto a plain white nail, so I'll show you the difference in a minute. I wanted to put these colours underneath so that they matched the ombre, the other ombre more, because I'll show you what it looks like over these glitters look like over a white in a minute. Now I do slightly overlap the blue because I want the glitters to kind of ombre together as well. I don't want them to be just sort of plain, you know, I don't want them to be sort of colour blocked. I want to try and ombre them. So again, I'm just going to sprinkle this on the top. And again, I'm going to slightly overlap that green. And then tap off the excess. And then yeah, that's not too bad, is it? That's going to go in the lamp. I'm going to give that a double cure because I've sugared. And then after I've sugared, I like to just run over the nail with a hard brush to get off any loose glitter. And then that is our sugared. And right, so that one there is on white, and you can see how it sort of looks a bit faded. So by putting the gel polish colours underneath, it's gonna match that more. Do you see what I mean? I think you know what I mean. I'm terrible at explaining things, but there we go. Right, this is Cupid. How cute is this? I just wanted a sort of neutral colour, a nude. And I kind of like this. It's sort of like a pinky, peachy, I don't know. It's really pretty. I really like it. So I was like, right, we're going to use that one. Normally I'd go for the rosy nude because that's, oh, I love that one. I can't help it. But I'm trying to use different colours. So that you can see different colours, because I feel like I use all the same colours a lot and all the same glitters a lot. So I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. Keep you guys interested, you know. This is our second coat. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is going to go on 2 nails. And some people ask, like, why do I do 4 nails? Because you never know what to do on that 5th nail. Well, you know, you're the nail artist. This is your job. You could just, honestly, on the thumbs, I would just do a plain nail of colour, to be honest. You don't make it difficult. Just sort of, you know. Oh, and we're using the Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush because it is the most amazing detailer brush. I've put 3 little dobs of the Jenna Limoncello and Matty onto a palette, and we're going to use this colour to create our pattern or our design. I've gone over with some Velvet Matte top coat onto the Cupid colour, the nude. I love this colour. It's so pretty. There we go. That's going to go in the lamp. And then I'm going to use the No Wipe top coat to top coat the ombre nail, but the one without the glitter. If you can top coat the glittered one as well. If you give it a couple of coats of top coat, it will make that sugared nail smooth. It just depends if you're a smoothie or a roughie. I don't know. Some people don't like the textured nails, do they? So you just, yeah. And then I've got, this is the gel paint, Madame Glam's gel paint in white. All their gel paints cure without a tacky layer, so you can use them on finished nails, which is why we're using them over the matte top coated Cupid. So I am just starting to draw out my, is it called a frond? I can't remember. Leafy leaves. I do love drawing leafy leaves. I find it very relaxing, very therapeutic. I love it. So on this now, I've got 2. These are going to be the centre veins of our leaves. I don't know if that's the right word. Leaf branches. I can't remember. I always bloody forget. Anyway, off these branches, we're going to do some leaves. And they're going to match the colours on the other nails. So we're going to use the Jenna, Matty and Limoncello as the leaf colours. And I'm just going to alternate between the colours on the branch. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it doesn't matter. That's what I've called it. I need to clear my throat. So I'm just going to add... I don't want to put two of the same colour together. I don't mind so much if they're opposite each other, but right next to each other, I don't want them the same. I mean, I don't suppose it really matters. Oh, by the way, this is a recreation set. Oh my God, I meant to say that right at the beginning. I'm going to put the set of nails up here that I saw, that I fell in love with. Because someone asked me on YouTube in one of the comments, I think it was on YouTube, if I would do some more blue and green nails. And I just absolutely fell in love with this set. So I can't remember the name of the person that done it, but it's on the screen there. Go and find them on Instagram. I think it was Instagram. I love this set. Could you imagine it in different colours as well? Like a pinky, lilac-y. Oh, it just looked really nice. Love it. So once we are happy with the leafy leaf, we're going to take some acrylic powder in clear and we're going to sprinkle it over our non-cured design. Now, I'm doing this slowly, and every now and then I will just tap off the colour because the acrylic, because the gel polish will suck up that acrylic powder. And if it sucks it up and it's still shiny, it means it needs more acrylic powder. So just, you see I'm doing it in little bits. I tap it off, I check it out. If it's completely shiny, then I'm happy, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for a double cure. And then once it comes out, I'm just going to brush off any loose excess acrylic. And that's what it looks like. We've got like this sort of embossed, florally, foliagey design. So I'm going to do, I've just repeated the pattern on the other nail and finished off I filled out the other leafy leaf. So all I'm going to do now to finish off these two nails is I'm going to take a little bit of the white gel paint and using just a dotting tool, or I'm using the end of a crystal picker upper tool. Just make sure there wasn't any fluff on the end before I dip it into my gel paint. And then all I'm going to do is place some little dots on the nail. The nail artist that done these originally had these cute little dots on. So I'm just going to place a few little dots around the place. Not too many, just a few. I thought they look cute, don't they? Oh my God, I love this so much. There we go. And then I will do the same on the other nail. I tried to do it between each sort of leaf branch. Can't think what they're called. I'm gonna have everyone in the comments commenting again, telling me what they are, because I've bloody forgotten. I always forget, and there's always someone that reminds me, but I'll forget again. There we go. The gel paint needs 60 seconds to cure because it is highly pigmented. So there we go. One more maybe there. There we are. And that's going to go in the lamp. And then this is them done. I will rearrange them slightly and give you a close-up. You can get 30% off Madam Glam gel polishes using my code NATMUG30. All the links and discount codes will be down below. But thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. And don't forget to check out the original nail tech that done these nails as well. That'll be down below too. So love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.